Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the auto light function on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. As you can see here on the right side, we have the Indiglow function. If I press the button, the display is going to light up. So let's have a look. Just like that. Now, in case you are using your watch at night, you would like to have your display lit all the time. So we can do this by pressing and holding the Indiglow button. You are going to hear a small beep and we will be able to see a small half moon right here. Now when I'm going to press any of the 5 buttons, the display is going to light up. So let's check that as well. So now I'm going to press the start split button and as you can see the display lit up. Now any of the buttons that I'm going to press now are going to activate the light function. And this is going to be a very useful function that we want to have when using the watch in the dark. So the display isn't going to be turned on all the time, just when you press any of the buttons. In order to turn it off, we are going to press and hold the Indiglow function once again. And as you can see, our sign has disappeared, thus signaling the fact that now the auto light function is going to be turned off. So guys, this was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of your Timex Ironman Triathlon, make sure to check out the full guide in the description box below. I'm pretty sure that you are going to enjoy it and you are going to learn how to use all the functions. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, if you'd like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.